Today, we're diving into a highly practical topic: how to protect plants from pests naturally. Gardening can be incredibly rewarding, but dealing with pests, not so much. Yet, there's a growing interest in tackling this issue without resorting to harsh chemicals. So, let's explore some natural methods for keeping your plants healthy and pest-free. Firstly, understanding the ecosystem of your garden is crucial. Many pests are part of a larger food web, which includes their natural predators. Encouraging the presence of beneficial insects like ladybugs, lacewings, and predatory mites can significantly reduce pest populations. These allies can be attracted by planting flowers and herbs that they thrive on. Another effective strategy is using physical barriers. Floating row covers can protect your plants from a myriad of invaders while still letting in sunlight, air, and water. Similarly, collars made from cardboard or plastic cuttings can prevent cutworms from getting to your tender young plants. Companion planting is a fascinating aspect of natural pest control. Certain plants, when grown together, can repel pests or attract them away from more vulnerable species. For example, marigolds emit a fragrance that many pests find off-putting, while nasturtiums can draw aphids away from your vegetables. Furthermore, maintaining healthy soil is a cornerstone of pest prevention. Healthy plants are less likely to succumb to infestations. You can enhance your soil's health through composting, mulching, and regular crop rotation, which also disrupts pest life cycles. Lastly, sometimes direct intervention is necessary, but it can still be natural. Neem oil, for instance, is a safe, organic pesticide that disrupts the life cycle of pests without harming beneficial insects or the environment. Similarly, insecticidal soaps can target specific pests like aphids and spider mites without widespread collateral damage. In conclusion, protecting your plants from pests naturally is not just about fighting off the invaders. It's about creating a balanced, healthy ecosystem where plants can thrive with minimal intervention. The techniques we've discussed are not only effective, but also contribute to the sustainability of your gardening practices. Thank you for watching. Remember, each garden is unique, and discovering the natural balance of yours can be a rewarding journey. With these natural strategies, you're well on your way to enjoying a healthy, vibrant garden without the need for harsh chemicals. Happy gardening.